Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix the problem of like your TikTok live option not showing up. So it's pretty simple, so you guys can follow these steps to watch this video until the end without skipping and follow all the steps I show. So because these are the steps which are gonna fix your problem. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first thing first, open TikTok and click on this plus icon to see if you guys have a live button option or not. So the problem is that you guys do not have the live button option over here, just like me over here. So I don't have a live button option. If I did, it would be around this area. So since I don't, then the way to fix it is like basically to go live on TikTok, you need two criteria to be fulfilled. The first is you need to have over 1000 followers, and the second is you need to be above 16. By 16 I mean your TikTok account's age must be above 16. The age you entered in TikTok should be above 16 in another word. So yeah, these are the two criteria. So if your account of TikTok is above 16 years old, and as soon as you get 1000 followers, your live option will be unlocked. So I didn't have a live option because I don't have 1000 followers in TikTok. That's why. So look at me, I only have 95 followers. If I had 1000 followers, I would have a live option button over there, but since I only have 95, I don't. So that's basically it. Get 1000 followers, and if your TikTok account is above 16, then you're set to go. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once a new video releases. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day. And if you guys have any question, drop it down as well. Peace out.